So why founders must be the best salesperson in the business in period 9? Well, you know what? This is going to annoy people who love delegation. In period 9, if founders is not the strongest salesperson in the business will eventually stall. It's not because the team is bad, but because authority cannot be outsourced. Have you noticed that even with the sales team, big deals still seem to need your involvement as the founder? And have you felt that when you are not present, deals slow down or quietly die? Well, let me convince you why you should watch this video till the end. First, because period 9 buyers are buying judgment, not just the offers. Because sales delegation without authority transfers breaks trust. And because founders who avoid selling creates invisible ceilings in their business. So what are you going to take away from watching this video to the end? You understand why founder presence matters more now than ever. You will see why strong teams still can't replace founder authority. And you also know what roles founders must personally own in period 9 sales. And if you ever wonder why deals feel different when you're not involved, do stay with me. This video will explain it. Well, let me be honest about this first. What changed in period 9? Well, buyers aren't just buying solutions anymore. They are buying judgment. They want to know how decisions are made at the top. They want to feel the thinking behind the offer. And only the founder like you can represent that fully. So why founders can't delegate sales authority? Well, of course, the sales teams can explain. They follow process. They answer questions. All good. But they can't transfer the ownership. When the decision feels big, risky, or identity shifting, buyers want to feel the founder's presence, not because they need reassurance, but they are checking leadership quality. So what are some core mistakes founders have made? Well, founders assume being out of sale is a sign of maturity. So what do? They delegate early, they hide behind the teams, and they only show up when things go wrong. But again, we're in period 9. Absence reads as avoidance. Buyers start wondering, if the founder isn't there, how important is this really? So what founders like you must do instead? Well, you must personally master sales conversation. Why? Because sales is where reality meets the leadership. Founders must be visible in high-stake decisions. Why? Well, because presence creates confidence, no script can replace. And founders must model how decisions are made, not just what is sold. Why? Because teams can copy behavior, but not inner authority. So what else must you stop doing? Well, stop treating sales as a function to escape. In period 9, sales is leadership in action. Also stop assuming good closers equal strong authority. Well, skill without ownership feels hollow, by the way. Also stop thinking visibility means micromanaging. You see, presence is not interference. So here's the summary of this video. Again, in period 9, you as the founder is the signal. The clearer the signal, the faster the trust. You can build teams, no problem. You can build systems, all good. But you can't outsource authority. And if this explains why your biggest deal always circle back to you, wow, you understand this by now. So follow the channel if you want to lead clearly in period 9. And this cycle doesn't reward founders who disappeared. It rewards founders like you who are willing to stand at the front when decisions matter. See you in my next video.